So here's the eyebrow eraser. And the concept to this, we'll work on this a little bit. You've got your stabilizer back here. You come in with this. And you're going to come, you want to go opposite of your stitches. So whatever direction your stitches are. And you're just going to shave them down. You want to keep a finger behind it. And you'll see it start to pull them stitches, break the stitches loose. You do this from the back side. And eventually you'll just be able to start, after you've done it, just run a finger over it and it'll start pulling them stitches out for you. Running across the back side, opposite of your stitches. You're going to keep your finger behind it so you know how hard you're pushing. Pull that back over. And it'll start coming right out. Just need a fingernail.